आज देखेंगे हर्बल ड्रग टेक्नोलॉजी का एमसीक्यू के साथ आंसर। ओके, और ये पार्ट जो है ये पार्ट 2 है। ठीक है, पार्ट 1 आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे, वहां से आप देख सकते हैं। यहाँ से जो पार्ट 1 है वो वहाँ 50 तक एमसीक्यू है एंड सेकेंड पार्ट से 51 एमसीक्यू है। ठीक है, तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। 51 क्वेश्चन नंबर, चिकोरी इज अनदर नेम ऑफ is horse wedding. The answer is A. Okay, next question number is 52 question number, health benefits of spirulina are. The answer is D, all. A is reduce cholesterol, B is prevent cancer, and C is treat allergy. Okay, next is 53 question number, ashwagandha is useful in treatment of. The answer is D, ब्लड शुगर को ट्रीटमेंट करता है अश्वगंधा, कैंसर को ट्रीटमेंट करता है अश्वगंधा, एंड सी इज स्ट्रेस जो होता है उसको मैनेजमेंट करता है कौन, अश्वगंधा। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 54 क्वेश्चन नंबर, हर्ब ड्रग इंट्रैक्शन आर ब्लैंक टू टाइप। द आंसर इज बी, टू टाइप। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 क्वेश्चन नंबर, ephedra interact with. The answer is caffeine, B. Ephedra interact with caffeine. Okay, next question number is estrogens what interact with antidepressant. The answer is D, antidepressant. Okay, next question number is hypersicum interaction are due to stimulation of. The answer is A, CYT P450। ये क्या है, एंजाइम है। ठीक है, the answer is A. Okay, next question number is hypericum interact with warfarin and produce decreases in anticoagulant effect. The answer is A, decreases in anticoagulant effect. Next question number is 59 question number, kawa interaction are due to inhibition of CYT P450. The answer is A. Okay, next question number is 60 question number, garlic show side effect like diarrhea। जो साइड इफेक्ट होता है डायरिया होता है। आंसर इज ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 61 क्वेश्चन नंबर, ephedra interacts with dexamethasone to cause. The answer is increase metabolism of drug, increase करता है metabolism of drug का। The answer is A. Okay, next question number is 62 question number, people should be avoided in. The answer is D, all. Diabetes, pregnancy and surgery. Okay, next question number is 63 question number, ginseng should be avoided in. The answer is D, all. Diabetes and cancer and upcoming surgery. Okay, the answer is D. Next question number is 64 question number, ginkgo should not be used in combination with. The answer is NSAIDs। इसका फुल फॉर्म होता है नॉन स्टेरॉयडल एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी ड्रग्स। ओके, इसका जो फुल फॉर्म होता है नॉन स्टेरॉयडल एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी ड्रग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 65 क्वेश्चन नंबर, कावा when used in combination with MAO produce. The answer is additive effect. The answer is A. Okay, next question number is 66 question number, excipients are non-active. The answer is B, non-active. Okay, next question number is 67, indigoids are natural dye. The answer is A, indigoids जो है वो natural dye है। Okay, next question number 68 question number, pyridine based dyes include berberines. Okay, next question number is 69 question number, cinnabar is red pigment. The answer is B, red pigment. Next question number is azurite is blue pigment. जो azurite है वो blue pigment है. The answer is D. Next question number is 71. Stevia is an example of, the answer is sweetener. Okay, C. Next is natural binder is all, यानी कि starch, gum and ocro gum. Answer is D, all. Next is most commonly used natural diluent is lactose. The answer is A, lactose. Next is 74 question number. C is corn starch is a viscosity builder. Blank C blank is viscosity binder builder जो होता है वो क्या होता है? Corn starch. Okay, corn starch is viscosity builder. Okay, next is 75 question number. Blank is a natural disintegrant जो होता है. Modified starch is natural disintegrants. Okay, next the answer is A. Next is 76 question number. Flavor are perfume are flavors and perfumes are C essential oils. जरूरत A तेल है. Flavor or perfumes are essential oil. Okay, next is cationic dyes are also known as basic dye. The answer is B, basic dye. Next is 78 question number. Traditional herbal formulation includes, the answer is D, A syrup, B tablet and C is mixture. Okay, next is 79 question number. Phytosomes are prepared by, the answer is D, any one of the above, कोई भी एक. Next is 80 question number. Evaluation of the phytosomes is done by DSC. इसका जो फुल फॉर्म होता है स्कैनिंग कैलेरोमेट्री, इसका फुल फॉर्म होता है. The answer is B. Okay, next question number is 81 question number. Novel doses form includes D, all. A is liposomes, B is phytosomes and C is neosomes. The answer is D. Okay, next question number is 82 question number. Syrups are prepared by C, both A and B. A is solution with heating and B is aggregation without heating. Aggregation without heating. Okay, answer is C. Next question number is 83. Evolution of drug includes, the answer is D, all. A is microscopy, B is macroscopy and C is chemical reaction. Okay, next question number is 84 question number. Contamination involves, A is impurity. Contamination involves impurity. Okay, the answer is A. Next question number is 85 question number. The full form of POP is persistent organic pollutants. Persistent organic pollutant is the POP full form. The next question number is 86 question number. Microbial toxins includes both A and B. A is mycotoxins and B is endotoxins. Okay. Next question number is 87 question number. Full form of ADI is, the answer is acceptable daily intake. जो ADI का full form होता है वो acceptable daily intake होता है. Okay, the answer is B. Next question number is MDI जो होता है it means ये होता है mid daily intake. The answer is B. Okay, next question number is 89 question number. Evaluation means, the answer is D, all of the above, ऊपर के सभी. A is the determination of quality and purity of drug and B is to confirm identity of drug and C is to detect adulteration. Okay, next question number is TI means क्या होता है? Tolerable intact. TI means tolerable intact. The answer is B. Next question number is API means क्या होता है? API means, the answer is active pharmaceutical ingredients. एक्टिव फार्मास्यूटिकल इंग्रेडिएंट्स होता है। द आंसर इज सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज स्ट्रेस टेस्टिंग इज डन to establish this to establish degradation pathway. To establish degradation pathway. The answer is C. Next question number is IPR means intellectual property right. ये क्या होता है? इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट होता है ना? इसका जो आंसर होता है वो डी है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 94 क्वेश्चन नंबर। बायोपिरेसी मीन्स, जो बायोपिरेसी मीन्स अनएथिकल exploitation of natural resources. The answer is A. Unethical exploitation of natural resource. Okay. Next question number is 95 question number. PBR means plant breeders right. PBR means plant breeder rights. The answer is A. Next is 96 question number. Traditional knowledge refers to all. A is knowledge gathered by population, and B is tested over long period time, and C is well adapted to local culture. Okay. Next is 97 question number. Forest Act provided framework for. The answer is documentation. Okay. The answer is A. Next is DTAB means B. The answer is B. Drug Technical Advisory Board. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 99 question number. Proceeding of DTAB should be approved within 35 days. कितना दिन में? 35 days. The answer is C. Next is 100 question number. DCC means क्या होता है? Drug Consultative Committee. The answer is A. Okay. इसको क्या करना है आपको? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लीज इसको क्या करना है? सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा इस चैनल को प्लीज। एंड सेकेंड इज शेयर करना है, और थर्ड जो है वो कमेंट और लाइक प्लीज कीजिए, और हमेशा खुश रहिए। ठीक है, चलिए तब तक के लिए बाय। नेक्स्ट पार्ट में मिलते हैं।